let's have a look at this Gigaset C430HX universal handset. Now any DECT handset works with any DECT phone as far as I can tell, but there are extra features. There's HD voice, which means you get better quality calls between here and here, and then between here and an IP service, if your IP service does HD calling. And I think there are features to transfer address books and things between the base and the remote handset. You can have up to 6 of these on that phone, and they can all dial each other internally, and you can configure which ones ring and all that kind of thing. Manual again. This, I'm quite impressed. These are all completely in English. So there's the phone, and no batteries. So in here we get battery cover, a little clip, and 2 nickel metal hydride rechargeable AA batteries, which charge presumably through the base, which is here. There we go. Power.